In this module, you will know how our field of study expanded from sociolinguistics to sociocultural linguistics. You know, the beginning was political feminism in 1970s, and we started this course with feminist sociolinguistics. Sociolinguistics has originally been confined to the study of dialects and identity. Dialectology, the study of regional varieties. We have one standard variety of a language and some regional, local varieties of languages. We also call them vernaculars in our previous modules. So properly, this field was confined to the study of dialects. When gender entered sociolinguistics under the influence of feminism, we used conversation analysis and largely conversation analysis in the context of community of practice, at micro level. Macro level, if included, was done through pragmatics. The analysis at macro level, contextual analysis, was conducted through tools of pragmatics, presuppositions, frames, stereotypes, and speech acts. So we used all these analytical methods from pragmatics. But after queer linguistics about sexual groups, you all are familiar with this. So when academic work on queers entered our field in 1990s, this was a new development. Sociolinguistic approaches proved inadequate to analyze these new developments. So queer studies added another domain to our field, and that was sexuality. And we, define it different from gender. This study of language, gender, and sexuality that is called LGS for short, needed an interdisciplinary approach in which different disciplines are involved other than sociolinguistics. So our field expanded from sociolinguistics to sociocultural linguistics. So we conclude that the study of LGS broadened the scope of sociolinguistics.